Everyone is obsessed with success. Money, status, freedom. But no one tells you what it actually does to you. Because the truth is, success doesn't fix your life. It changes your problems. And sometimes, it makes them worse. You stop worrying about survival and start worrying about losing everything you built. You get everything you wanted, but somehow, it still doesn't feel like enough. And you can't even say it out loud, because to the world, you've already won. Let's say, one day, you finally make it. You earn more. People notice you. Your life changes. At first, it feels amazing. But slowly, something shifts. Expectations. Not just from others, from yourself. Now you can't afford to fail. Because when you're unknown, mistakes are normal. But when you're successful, every mistake feels public. Every decision feels heavy. And suddenly, you're not chasing success anymore. You're trying to protect it. Now think about your circle. Before success, friends were simple, real. But after success, things change. People treat you differently. Some admire you. Some envy you. Some just want something from you. And the hardest part? You don't always know who is real. So slowly, you stop trusting easily. You keep things to yourself. And even when you're surrounded by people, you feel alone. There's another side people don't see. The constant thinking. What if I lose this? What if everything goes down? What if I'm not good enough to stay here? From the outside, it looks like confidence. But inside, it's pressure. It's anxiety. It's overthinking at 2 a.m. when everything is quiet, but your mind isn't. People think more money equals more freedom. But in reality, sometimes it's the opposite. More responsibility, more decisions, more people depending on you. You become busy, not because you want to, but because you have to. And the time you once had, the peace you once felt, start slipping away. Now open social media. What do you see? Perfect lives, smiles, luxury. But ask yourself honestly, do you really think that's the full story? Most people don't show their struggles. They show what looks good. Even successful people hide their worst days, because no one wants to look weak. So what you see is not reality. It's a highlight. Success is not a bad thing. Let's be clear about that. It's powerful. It can change your life. But it's not what people think it is. It doesn't magically fix everything. It just brings different challenges. So maybe, instead of chasing success blindly, understand what comes with it. Because the real goal is not just success, it's peace. If this made you think, hit that like button. And if you want more real, honest videos like this, subscribe. Because sometimes, the truth you don't hear is the one you need the most.